control on me. Burn my ways, burn my ways, burn my ways.
Hey kittens, welcome back to another video. And well, today, I'm gonna go to my den because somebody's there, and you know.
I have a code, I guess. Okay, hello.
I'm really awkward, so my idea was I'm going to copy people's outfits. The only problem is I kind of don't have a lot of items. I traded away a lot of my items that people wear, and I just traded them for these really stupid items nobody wears. So, yeah. I'm going to be copying people's outfits, and probably not going to be good at copying pets, but let's go into the Let's go into the sapphire shop. Okay, does my voice sound better now? Hopefully. Fashion show at my den. How do you get the potion? Fashion show at my den. Okay, this person really wants me to go to their fashion show. I'll go. Oh my gosh, what if I start fashion show drama? Oh my gosh. No sharing pillows. Okay. So, no sharing pillows. So, we're not allowed to share pillows because, you know, that's really against the rules. Yeah, because you don't want anyone to look stupid. Everyone get a pillow. Okay, I got a pillow. I really just want to start drama here. No sharing pillows. Okay. Done. Not sharing a pillow. Okay. Oh, dang it, they moved away. But there's a tree covering my view. Maybe I should go and move with somebody else. Oh, yes, they moved. Perfect. This is a much better view. Okay, and then somebody moves into my spot. Why is everyone moving? Okay, don't share a seat with me. Oh, yes, perfect. I said no sharing pillows. I was about to go. Okay, theme. Yeah, we need a theme. We need a theme. The first thing, finally. Okay. I got yelled at. Nature. Hours later. Hey, those two people are sharing pillows. Ocean. Okay, we're gonna look like the ocean. Wait. Is that a theme or is that a person? Is that a theme or a person? Okay, it's probably not a person. Okay, wait, how the heck do you dress up like the potion? How the heck do you dress up like the ocean? Like, how do you do that? Like, I don't think there's any items called ocean. Yeah, beach stuff? Maybe I'll just, like, pretend I'm at the beach. Okay, beach towel. Okay. What else? Sunglasses, okay. What if I need swimming goggles? Okay, swimming goggles it is. This one's blue, so I guess. I have no idea how to dress up like the ocean. You know, maybe I'll just dress up really cute. I guess I'll just dress up really adorably. Oh, nobody would ever hate this person. Oh, she's so adorable. Oh, cute. Okay, now we're gonna have to add a good pattern. What about these blob patterns? I like these patterns. That's the same color. Ooh, that's really cute. Okay. I guess I'll now have to change this color. Never mind, I'm not changing that color. Okay, stays white. Okay, next we're going to need a cute little hat item. There's a blue one. Perfect. Guess I'll then wear feathered ears. You know, this is like not even part of the theme, but I did it anyway. I'm probably going to be out. So, okay, if I get out, I'm just gonna make a big fuss about it and see if I can get everyone locked out. Guess what? I'm blue, which is the ocean is brown, not the ocean. Obviously. Wait, I should have been a seal. Why am I stupid? No. What do you mean? It's a true fact, okay? Scientists confirmed it. Wait, but he's just gonna get rid of the pill. I'm probably gonna be out for being mean, so I'm just gonna make a huge fuss about it. Okay, well, actually, I'm wearing items. The ocean, okay, can you stop trying to be smart? It's green. It can be red, greenish, blue. Sorry, but GJ. It's pink.
No, it's pink unless the sun did setting.
When the sun sets, it's green and red and orange and yellow and purple. Theme, can I join? Got to go. Everything's so confusing. Can I join? No. You can't join us. You're too cool. Yes, I know, I mean. Consumes snow leopard. You got that right. What do you mean? I just ate you. You are mean.
I am the honey bear, and I speak for the bees.
Theme is alien. Oh, well, I guess I'm already done. I'm already an alien. But I guess he won't take that seriously. Okay, what's an alien? We need to just find the stupidest items ever. Oh my gosh, I have the best plan. This, perfect. Now, I just need some good colors, okay? There. There. Just for good measures, everything needs to be exactly black. Perfect. Why the heck do I look like such a weirdo? You know, I want to see what it looks like if I just take off everything but the oh! Ew, maybe I should just go with this. I need to find something that'll like, oh, that does not make it look better. Okay. I guess. No, look at my paws. I'm just gonna twitch, because that's what aliens do. Don't I look like an alien? Why is everyone dancing? Because when I dance, I just look like this. Wait, what about lobster stuff? No. I need my blackout paws back. Who lost? Aw, dang it. Goodbye. Bro. Okay. Do you have the same idea as me? This might just need to be my new main animal. This is beautiful. Hey, you copied my idea. You created a snake. Please don't be rude. Okay, everyone, be rude. I want the next theme to be rude. Because I, already got that wrong. Theme is winter. I thought he said winter is theme. And I was like, what? Okay, I guess I need to step up my winter game. Okay. I guess this is my look. OMG, I'm like so cool. Okay. I'm gonna be out. Oh. Somebody else was out instead. No! No! A sad thing has happened. We will be sad now. Guys, be sad. Guys, be sad. Good. Good humans. Owner, may I watch? You can go and watch your, you can watch, I guess. I was trying to say something, but I forgot what I was gonna say. I think they just want people in their den. Like, I always used to do that. Theme is space. Okay. Hashtag everyone's going to go for a spacesuit. Like, okay, now everyone's dancing, you know, like that, while I'm the only one who's actually doing anything. Okay. Like, yes. Okay, I'm probably gonna be out for being the weirdest one, because everyone's identical, and I'm the only one who's different. Oh, I am? Yeah. Okay. I like how nobody ever said GG to anyone other than me. I would like to thank you. I was being recorded. I'm a watch now, as everyone is sucked away. Oh, wait, the theme was not astronaut. It was space. It's like, oh, people get to dress up as phantoms? Okay, I would have won that round. Like, I literally have so much phantom stuff. It's actually kind of unbelievable. I bet everyone was just going to dress up in phantom costume, like phantom flight sets anyway. Well, I guess this was actually a pretty fun video. Wait, but I have to cause drama. OMG, phantoms are so delicious.